Welcome to my YouTube channel Navoday College. Dear student, today we are discussing the subject of business statistics, chapters measures of central tendency. Topics is calculation of median. At first, we know the definition of median. The median is that value of variable which divided the groups in two equal parts. One part comparison all values greater than and other all values than median. That is the definition of median. Dear student, we know we have different types of calculation of mean. The previous class, today we are discussing about median. At first, we know the three types of series. Series, that means simple series, ungroup and group. Simple series definition is given data without class, without frequency. Only given information, that is called simple series. And ungrouped data is called given information without class, with frequency, that is called ungrouped data. And group data is given data or given information with class, with frequency, that is called group data. Clear, dear students, about the series. Now let's start the today's class. Our subject is business statistics, chapter measures of central tendency, topic 6 calculation of median, class number 1. Today we are calculate median only for simple data. Simple data median here is two types. When the observation is odd, that means like that 1 2 3 4 6, that is odd observation, and 6, that is even observation, or 5 observation. Odd observation or even observation is, for example, odd observation 1 2 3 4 5, that is called odd observation. 1 2 3 4 5 odd observation. And even observation is, for example, 1 2 3 4, that is called even observations. When the observation is odd, then the formula of median is ME is the symbolic shabda. The symbolic of median is equal to ME. ME is equal to n plus 1 by 2 the observation. Here n is a observations. When the observation is even, then the formula of median is n by 2 the observation plus n by 2 plus 1 the observation divided by 2. Here remember that the given data must be arranged in two ways. One way is ascending order and other way is descending order. Ascending order, that means 1 2 3 4 5, that means lower to upper. A descending order, that means upper to lower. When we calculate simple data of median, we follow the two formulas and the rules. Now solve the question. From the following data, compute median. Here we see that the item is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The item is 9, that means the observation is odd. Now calculation of median, will follow the class. Now table for table for median. At first we put the first column is serial number, then data, then ascending the data. First column is name is serial number. Serial now আর এখানে here data 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 that means odd. Number of observation is odd. At first given the data 5 6 4 8 3 4 8. Now ascending the order of data. ASCENDING, ascending the order of data. Ascending that means lower to upper. Lowest value is 3 4 4 is a 2, then 5 6 8 8 is a 3, then 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now we write the formula of odd number. We know the formula of median. Formula of median. Then m is equal to n plus 1 by 2 the observation, but to the item. Here side note, here n is equal to 9. 9 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 10 plus 2. 5 the observation. Now write 5 the observation is কত? Now 5 the observation is 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 the observation is 6. Here median is equal to 6. This is the answer. Clear, dear students? When the observation is odd number, we calculate the median in the following way. At first, given data, serial number, given data, then ascending the order. Ascending that means lower to upper order values. Then we write the formula, fifth item. The fifth item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth item is 6. Otherwise, median is equal to 6. That is the way of median about the question of odd number of simple data. Now solve the question of even number. At first, when we solve the median, at first we follow the question. How many items of the observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the even number. Now calculate median of even number. Now table for median. Same way, first column is serial number, given data, and ascending the order of data. First column is serial number. The other column is data or observation. And third column name is the ascending order of data. The ascending the order of data. Order of data. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actual data is given 28, 11, 5, 7, 9, 5, 15 and 12. Now ascending or descending, as you like. In generally use ascending the order of data. You can write descending the order of data. No problem here. Generally use the ascending the order of data. Ascending the order of data, at first lowest value, put the lowest value. 5 is double, then 7, then 9, then 11, then 12, then 15, then 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count, put the data. At last we count the data is 8. Is same. Now write formula. So we know the formula of median. The formula of median, ME is equal to n by 2 the item, plus n by 2 plus 1 the item divided by 2. This is the formula of odd even number of median. Now n is a 8. 8 by 2 divided 4 the item, plus n by 2 plus 1 is equal to 8 4 8, 4 plus 1 fifth the item divided by 2. Now again write 4 the item plus fifth the item divided by 2. Here fourth item. Fourth item 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth item is 9 plus fifth item is 11 divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2, so 10. Here median is equal to 10 also. Median is equal to 10. This is the answer of even number of simple data calculate median. Now revise the class of simple data of given data even number. Then at first column name is serial number, given data actual data or ascending the order. Result ascending the order. Given data is 8 items, that is even number. The even numbers formula of median, we know the formula of median n by 2 the item plus n by 2 plus 1 the item divided by 2. The n, that means 8. 8 divided 2, 4 the item. 8 divided 2 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is the fifth item. 4th item plus 5th item divided by 2. The 4th item is 9 plus 5th item is 11. Now add the 2 items is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 is a median. So this is the way of median of even data. Dear students, today's class is calculation of median of simple data odd or even number. We hope today's class is thinking about the calculation of simple data even number or odd number calculate of median. Thanks to us, my YouTube channel Amader College. I also request my channel like, share, subscribe. Today's class is finished. Thanks to all.